Friends, today we come see some great hypertensive experiment. I put some lollipop under the high pressure machine. Let's see what happened to the lollipop. Now I put cast iron swivel based under the hydraulic machine. I put it under a jet hydraulic machine. Hydraulic pressure cast the toy ball to explode. This time I put many cases under the hydraulic machine. I put an apple under the heated hydraulic machine to see what happens. See what is condition of sweet pumpkin. The ball floated in and inside under the hydraulic pressure. Two small wooden balls occur as a result of the pressure of the heated hydraulic machine. The hydraulic machine is working very hard on the rod. Let's see how much pressure a handcuff from Russia can withstand. The hydraulic pressure of the water caused the machine to split in two. I piece of iron weighing 30 kg under hydraulic pressure. Let's see what happened to the toy as a result of the hydraulic pressure. Let's see what happened to a wooden ball as a result of hydraulic pressure. This plastic toy also got flooded due to pressure. The whole hydraulic machine caught fire in an instant.